Hello everybody, welcome again with another live forex analysis video. In this video we are going to do some fresh live analysis of GBPUSD and we will also share our trading ideas of GBPUSD for today. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live updates from us. In this channel we upload daily live forex analysis and we also share our trading ideas of gold, GBPUSD and GBPJPY for intraday trading on daily basis. So first of all we will discuss about our previous analysis. So this analysis what did in our previous video. If you did not watch our video, please go to our channel and watch that video. In that video we did this analysis and we give a buy signal almost here. So market moved very well. So now we are going to remove all of these unnecessary areas and do some fresh live analysis. So this is the supply area and this is also a supply area. Now market is ranging in this area. So if market right now, if market come in the supply area and give a candle confirmation for sell, then there's the chance to market come down to this area again. And if market break this level, give us a retracement, then you can go towards this supply area. So let's see what will happen. Right now there's no exact trade in this pair. Let's see if market give us any sell confirmation in this supply area, then we will open a sell trade. And if market break this supply area, give a retest of this level, then we can move towards another supply area. So these are the trading plans of GBPUSD for today. Please like this video and share this video with your friends and in forex groups. And if you want to get exact entry or exit points, then you can join our copy trading. To join our copy trading service, you can contact us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is given in the description box. See you next video with live analysis. Take care. Bye bye.